realm of sports cars, few names evoke as much excitement and admiration as the Toyota Supra. The legacy of the Supra spans generations, and with the introduction of the 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0, the evolution of this iconic model continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. This video delves deep into the various facets of the 2023 GR Supra 3.0, exploring its design philosophy, performance capabilities, technological innovations, and the overall driving experience that sets it apart in the fiercely competitive sports car landscape. The exterior design of the 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 is a fusion of elegance and aggression. The low, sleek profile pays homage to the Supra's racing heritage while incorporating modern design elements that catch the eye. The front fascia boasts LED headlights flanking a bold, stylized grille, creating a menacing yet refined presence. Sculpted lines along the sides and a rear spoiler contribute to the aerodynamic efficiency of the Supra, emphasizing its commitment to both form and function. The interior of the GR Supra 3.0 is a driver-centric haven. High-quality materials, thoughtfully designed controls, and supportive sport seats create an immersive driving environment. The cockpit exudes a sense of purpose, emphasizing the marriage of comfort and performance. With an 8.8-inch infotainment display at the center, the Supra ensures that connectivity and entertainment are seamlessly integrated into the driving experience. At the heart of the 2023 GR Supra 3.0 lies its powerhouse, a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine. This formidable engine delivers an exhilarating 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque, catapulting the Supra from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.9 seconds. The 8-speed automatic transmission is finely tuned for quick and precise gear changes, ensuring optimal power delivery at any speed. The Supra's performance extends beyond sheer acceleration. With a rear-wheel drive configuration, finely tuned chassis, and adaptive suspension system, the Supra offers a driving experience that is both dynamic and responsive. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the open highway, the Supra's handling instills confidence, creating a symbiotic connection between the driver and the machine. The 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 is not just a powerhouse on the road, it is also a showcase of advanced technology. The infotainment system features navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system, ensuring that drivers are not only connected but also entertained during their journeys. The Supra is equipped with driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, enhancing both safety and convenience. The 2023 GR Supra 3.0 is not merely a continuation of the Supra lineage, it is a testament to Toyota's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. The Supra's rich heritage, forged in the crucible of motorsports and refined through decades of engineering excellence, is alive and well in every curve and contour of the 2023 model. As it roars into a new era, the Supra invites enthusiasts to join in the celebration of automotive prowess and driving passion. The 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 stands as a beacon in the world of sports cars, embodying the spirit of performance and precision that defines the Supra legacy. With its striking design, powerful engine, advanced technology, and unparalleled driving experience, the Supra continues to reignite the passion of enthusiasts while setting new benchmarks for what a sports car can achieve. As the automotive landscape evolves, the 2023 GR Supra 3.0 reaffirms its position as a symbol of enduring performance and a harbinger of exciting journeys on the open road.